OY, Snow Fighting on Cumbres Pass, covers the February 29th and March 1st Rotary Snowplow Charter on the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad. Former Denver, Rio Grande, and Western Rotary Snowplow OY was restored for a 2-day event to kick off the Cumbres Toltec's 50th year of operation. The OY was joined by K-36s number 487 and 484, and together they put on a great show as they pushed the Rotary up the 4% grade between Chama and Cumbres Pass. You'll see the OY and train battling icy conditions in the Narrows, busting deep drifts near the state line, and rounding Windy Point before reaching the 10,015-foot summit at Cumbres Pass. Follow along as Beltline Productions brings you all this and more in nearly 2 hours of non-stop Rotary snowplow action on the Cumbres Toltec Scenic Railroad. Rio Grande Rotary OY, Snow Fighting on Cumbres Pass. Available now on Blu-ray and DVD at blpvideo.com.